that. Kilig, jump. Ah!
Go inside, dali. Okay. It's a video.
No, it's gonna be a video.
We go inside, dali. All the piglets will go inside.
No, not me.
Why?
No, it can't be a video.
No way.
Flying saucer.
Daddy, give me that. That's a flashlight for you.
Camping.
We are camping.
Yeah, Kelsey, we are camping.
For nighttime.
No, Kelsey.
Oh, kuya.
Like,
Wala pa sila.
Stop!
Bumili lang ng luya sa mall. What happened?
We put that in YouTube. And
No, but I didn't catch the fall down.
Let's do it again. No. Kelsey fell down. He will be in YouTube and he will be in Friendster. Jokes on Facebook. And Buttbook and MySpace. And MySpace.
This is the room of the 3 little pigs.
Don't go inside. Yes. It's dirty.
This is the room of the 3. This is the tent of the 3 little pigs.
Only 2 little things. Haha. Kelsey's butt is big. Kasi you want to see how to dance? You're like, oh, wait. Something is good. Wait. Nico just woke up. Sorry, stop eating.
Di rin kami nakatulog na Joan. Nagigising kami sa lamig ba tsaka yung ihip ng hangin.
I wanna
Meron.
see
Hindi, makapal yung fleece nga eh.
Fall!
May ano eh.